Dongfeng garbage compactor trucks destined for the Middle East. The 15 cubic meter extra large container, coupled with an efficient compression system, can easily load 12 tons of garbage, significantly reducing the number of round trips. A task that used to take 3 trips can now be completed in 2, increasing daily efficiency by 13% and saving flow costs, making it easy to handle peak collection times. Equipped with Cummins 260 horsepower engine and 8-speed transmission, the trucks offer powerful power and smooth shifting, enabling them to start with full-load climb hills and overcome obstacles with ease, eliminating operational delays.